brand your content with repurpose.io. Now, if you haven't seen what repurpose.io is yet before, basically you can take all of your content and automatically post it with workflows. So for example, this workflow here, I have a TikTok that goes to Facebook page, TikTok that goes to Google Drive, TikTok to Instagram, TikTok to LinkedIn, TikTok to Pinterest, TikTok to Twitter, TikTok to YouTube Shorts. So it's amazing what you can do with all these different automations, so you have to work way less. Now today we're going to be breaking down a little bit about what templates are. Templates are a really cool feature that we added a while back. You can do a lot of cool things. So I'm sure you've seen different like Gary Vee or Alex Hormozy where they have content templatized, especially for each platform. So for example, we have horizontal, vertical, and square, different kind of formats. And you can obviously create your own. You just go create and you name it, kind of like what I did for these. And then you just select video to video or audio to video, and then you choose the size, and you can literally templatize it. Like this is one that I did in the past. You can add the headline, you can add a sub-headline, you can add the bar going across, you can add images. So it's really cool. You can have a lot of different organizations for your brand. Now, if you don't want to deal with all that stuff, you just go back to templates, and then we actually have a lot of predefined templates that look really nice as well. And so here's the square ones that we've already had. Here's the horizontal ones for your YouTube videos. And this one's cool because it's like a zoom, so you could put speaker 1 and speaker 2 here, things like that. And then here's our vertical ones. And so you can have your headline, subheadline, and then your subtitles down there. And then these are ones for podcasting, right? So if you just want to add your audio, and then we have the waves right here. And they just look really attractive, and they're already done for you. So why would you want to brand your stuff? So a lot of companies and brands, like, you want to be noticed, right? So when someone sees, oh wow, it's this person's colors, it's their hex colors, it's their content, it's the way that they present themselves, people automatically know it is this brand, right? So when you see like the McDonald's, it's red, yellow, and with the big M, right? And that's because they've branded everything that they do. You can have the same effect with your content. So especially like when you are repurposing it to many different platforms, it's really nice to sometimes streamline these things and have all the different templates ready to go. So I've tested a lot. Like you could do a lot of cool things. Like this one, I put online jobs that pay weekly, and then I have the money on the bottom, and then it goes down. And then this is repurposed from a long form YouTube video. This is one that's really cool. A square one. It's for LinkedIn and Facebook pages. And then here's a live stream. So if you go live, like on Facebook, or you want it looking really nice from YouTube live or something like that, you can have all these different options, and all of these customizations are here within the templates area of Repurpose. So we really went above and beyond to try to make this something that you can make your own, you can brand to yourself, and so that when people see your content, they know exactly who it is and what you stand for. So again, if you don't like all these predefined templates, you can just come in here and do, like, example, we could do a vertical one, do next, and then all of a sudden you can add your headline there. You can add different elements like emojis, like if you want to add emojis on here. I know a lot of people, they're kind of eye-catching, different icons, right? So you can put some stars on there. You can they all just look really, really nice when put together. And then you can do background colors, change the background color. We have some pre-done backgrounds if you like that instead. But then you can also just upload. So like here's some of the old uploads that I really liked, like some arrows. You can put the arrows in there, really anything that you want. So like this is a product that I had a long time ago. You can put that down there so people can see like, oh, what products does this person offer? And it's just really cool. And then a lot of times people like putting GIFs in there because they move, right? So it's engaging. And so you can have these things going on your content as well. So really cool. A lot of customization. You can make it your own, or you can simply just utilize what we've already done for you. So hopefully that has helped you out a lot. Again, these are templates here in repurpose.io. completely included with your membership, and that way you don't have to reinvent the wheel, and you can make things as much yours as you want to. So let me know if you learned something today. If you have more questions about repurpose.io, make sure that you comment down below and let us know. Also, make sure to try out your free trial. You can try these things for yourself. We have tons of different sources, trainings, so that you can get the most out of your content. We know that you work really hard to make your content, good and engaging and helping people and having an impact. So that's what we do here at Repurpose. We want to make sure that we can help get that content to the masses.